Howdy guys, one more quick update on my Hoba Hyper 10 SC. As I stated in my video just yesterday or the day before, I've been running a 14 tooth pinion on this. Well, I had said 15, but it turns out it was a 14 tooth pinion on this 3200 kV Chinese motor. It's a 5 millimeter diameter shaft, so this is actually the only pinion I had to fit it when it first arrived, but my 17 tooth has arrived and I've just installed it. It's considerably larger and I'm really interested to see how it does. I'm going to drop this battery into it and take her out in the snow and have some fun. Hopefully I'll be able to get a minute or two of footage to share with you as well. Yeah, it's quite a bit quicker. Still trying to figure out this steering with one hand thing. Ready? Here we go. Well, I was having a good time running it out there on the river and the ice, but came back up on shore here and it no go. Looks like my pinion came loose and shifted too far forward, so it's not engaging with the spur anymore. I was too impatient. I wanted to get out here before the Loctite had a chance to dry, and whoops, looks like it's gonna be back to the old build table for me today, but hopefully we'll get out and run this some more later.